Imagine yourself in this Ford 2019 F-150. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 3.15 axle ratio, tailgate step with tailgate lift assist, transmission, electronic 10-speed automatic included, selectable drive modes, normal tow haul snow Eco Select Sport, engine, 5.0 LV8 included, auto start stop technology and flex fuel capability. Gross vehicle weight, 6,800 pounds. Payload package 3.15 axle ratio, class 4 trailer hitch receiver included. Towing capability up to TBD on 3.3 LV6P FDI engine, 99B, and 2.7L EcoBoost engine, 99P, or up to TBD on 3.5L EcoBoost engine, 994, 3.5L EcoBoost high output engine, 99 grams, and 5.0 LV8 engine, 995. Smart